is for the song Flower, sung by Jisoo from the BLACKPINK. Let's get started. So the first step, right? First step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go inside again with your leg and you curl up your hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the step 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Step 2 is you end here. Now you just move your waist with your legs. It helps. If you want to go swing side to side, move your legs. So you end it here. So you just rotate your hands and count, close it, rotate your hands and count, close it. So the step would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again, the step 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So step 2, we ended here. Right? Step 3 is hand goes here and then you, as if you are hitting something. So, and you sway your hips. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Ended here, right? Yeah. Ended here. So hand goes here. Now with your right leg. 1, 2, left leg. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right leg goes back. 7. And then with hand you do this. So it's 8. I'll do it again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do our counts till step 3. So step 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So step 3 you ended here. Now step 4, first I'll show you the hands. The upper body movement is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you got the legs. Legs we were like this, so we do dip. It's a dip step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So step 3 we ended here. So step 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Step 5 is when we end here, you take your hand down to shoulder level. So it will come here. And then you do 1, 2, 3. So the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. And the legs will be on the shoulder level, nothing. But after, for this one, it's 1, 2, 3. And then once you are here, then the last 4 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole step will look like you were here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So step 4 and 5 together on counts would look like We ended here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Yeah, so the complete dance on counts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Hope you guys liked it.